Hello guys, this is Rakhi. Welcome to the Cosmic Witches Tarot. Here I will be uploading content related to tarot, astrology, and all things witchy and magical. Enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you there.
Hello, beautiful souls. How you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine and doing great. So today I've come up with another pick a card tarot reading, and since the Libra season has just started, and if you guys know, Libra is all about balance and relationships in astrology. I thought, why not do a love and relationship tarot reading for you guys? Don't worry, this is for both, for singles and for ones in relationships as well. So this is going to be an in-depth tarot reading, as I'm going to see what's happened before or what is happening right now, and what's going to happen next. So this time I've already shuffled the cards and made two piles, and I have chosen this mug for pile number one. Pretty cute tea or coffee mug. And for pile number two, I've chosen this cute little apple. So this is pile number two and this is pile number one. Just close your eyes, take a deep breath, and ask yourself what's going to come or happen next in your love and relationship sector. Alright, so I'm going to link down timestamps below, and let's start. So for pile number one, for people who are in relationship, right away I wanna say that you guys are going through some emotional breakdown right now. Like, your relationship seems like an emotional roller coaster of high highs and low lows. Most of the time you spend your time dreaming about all the good times or fun times you guys had. For some, I feel that the emotional pain is something related to a third party situation. Maybe your partner is prioritizing something else over this relationship, or that's why you seem to be caught up in this dreamy energy where you are thinking about what possibly went wrong, or you are totally imagining all those unwanted scenarios. For all those who are single and chose pile number one, I feel like you guys are in constant mood swings, where at one time you guys feel so contained and happy on your own, but at the same time you guys are caught up in some kind of self-pity, and also you guys keep dreaming and thinking about all the past choices you guys had, and what if, and all such kind of questions are arising in your mind. But still I still see a very a nice and content energy, even if we have this energy going on. But let's see. Well, for relationships, pile number one, who are in relationships, I see a new start is coming up very soon in your same relationship. But this is not going to happen easily. First of all, you guys will go through some kind of big tower movement, like a fight is, or a conflict is approaching, where you guys will resolve all your issues and reconsider all the things that is lighting up this fight. And don't worry, this I see that this is something related to the stability and security, and this conflict will surely help you build your foundation once again and bring back all the eternal love that you share. I feel like you guys are quite opposite in nature, and that, but somehow I feel like you guys can't live without each other as well. So definitely a new beginning for pile number one who are in relationship. And also you guys will learn to give each other's perspective a chance in this relationship. So yeah, for pile number one, those who all are singles, I see that an event is approaching your way, which will make you go through some kind of spiritual breakthrough or an ego death, where you will start looking at life with a new perspective. So this is going to sound a bit harsh, but I feel like in past you guys had, or you still have this dream person, and that's why you don't give this other options any chance. or even if you do, you are still caught up in this future energy where you feel like you will find that person. But I feel that universe is purposely sending you this some other kind of person or people in your life uh, who don't match your expectations.
But this time, I see your spiritual awakening will help you to look at life and people around you with a whole new perspective. I feel like you are going to give life a chance. All those things that were keeping you from having faith in what you deserve in love are going to crumble down, and you will find a new perspective. And this might sound a little cheesy, but you might realize that what you are looking for is or was right there in front of you this whole time. You just needed this awakening. So basically, new beginnings for pile number one.
Sorry guys, had to move the setup as my cat ran over the previous one and it was a mess. Anyway, let's just move on to pile number 2. So anyone who chose this red apple, right? So let's start with the people who are in relationships. First of all, this red apple, this kind of reminds me of the the poisoned apple in Snow White, which the wicked witch gives to her, and also the cards tell the similar kind of story. So I kind of see a lot of things are happening in your head space, as most of this are like swords. So that's what I see, like this constant battle between your ego and your intuition is happening. uh, I feel like your relationship is going through a lot of calm on the outside and that struggle on the inside kind of phase. And there's a lot of miscommunication going on where your gut is telling you one thing and your logic is probably stuck in the past. So you are going through like you might be going through this feelings of betrayal, or maybe you guys are even going behind each other's back in search of the truth, like checking each other's horoscopes and maybe even consulting tarot readings like this one. So all such things are happening. So for you guys, those who are in relationship in future, I feel like you see, like you guys will be letting go of all these control issues. Like maybe you will reach to this realization that uh, you need to let go of all these controlling thoughts. And like I said you about this miscommunication, maybe you are getting some wrong information from wrong people, so you just realize that you just need to let it go. uh, you are letting the universe decide as what is best for you guys. So basically you're in this mode of whatever happens, right? Which I personally feel like is the best feeling, because you literally let go of all this controlling issues and you feel literally feel free and liberating. And you know what guys, right when this happens, you are going to realize and find out that loyalty and happiness never left you. Maybe there were few things happened in the past, but you cannot always judge things according to the past mistakes, right? So yes, happiness and loyalty is always there with you. And don't worry, you guys, you're definitely protected and looked after by the universe. Just follow your gut, alright? Okay, so pile number 2, those who all are single. Right away, I see that you guys feel as though your perfect match is not even born, and or it does not even exist. This is what you feel, guys, and you have given up on trying, or you are too proud to go behind what you want. So I feel like this is kind of stage you are in, guys. So right now this is what's going on. Somehow this message is coming out as like you guys need to do some inner child work, like recreate those times when you used to draw, or color out of the lines. like you were messy as a kid, you used to dance like no one is watching. Like you need to bring out those or recreate those moments, because guys, I feel like your gut or your intuition is kind of blocked here because all of this overthinking, and you are stuck in this ego mode. That's why you guys keep on feeling like your perfect match is not coming your way, or you cannot find your perfect person or the one. uh, so this activity I told you, it can help you to honor the beauty of imperfections, right? And you need to explore and find out who you are on the inside, and what really you wanna be, or you on a deeper soul level, right? So there's a possibility that you guys are this such overthinking is keeping you up all night, and I think you're guided in this direction towards this inner work, because universe wants you to find your uh, inner child or do your shadow work in order to find that right person. So let's see what I see in the future for you guys. I feel like you will be finding your authentic self, right? Something about honoring your inner feminine and masculine energies, restoring that balance is like all these messages are coming out, because all these things are needed. Like this is the steps I feel to avoid those toxic patterns in your life and attracting the wrong people, and to find your right or perfect match is just do this inner work, inner healing, address your past traumas. So since there are no direct love messages, I just want to see how will this inner work or inner healing help for pile number 2 singles. Alright, so let's see what will happen when you do this inner work. Now look at that, 7 of Pentacles. It means you guys will be definitely you guys will be definitely reaping what you sowed. Like you guys, all these efforts that you are going to put into your inner healing is going to come to fruition for sure. And of course, in love, it means commitment and stability. So don't worry guys, just go for it. Don't worry, you are definitely going to find success in relationship, in your future relationship. Okay, beautiful reading guys. Like, so I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful readings. I know they were pretty intense, but I hope it helped you, right? So I'll see you guys in next video. Bye bye.